Married to the game, the streets my wife. Gave that bitch most of the time in my life. I'm from that west side, Jefferson and 36. Adolescent stressing out and seen some dirty shit. Walking from school, seeing fiends smoking blow out of coke cans. My role model was the dope man. These beats inspire my life, so I walk through them. Typical day in the life, let me talk to them. 99 was the start of our hood wars. If you ain't loyal to your clique, what you good for? All we knew was run a dump when them triggers squirt. Back when a pair of gold D's to get a nigga murked. 8th grade summer got my taste of fast cash. Sold a 50 pack, wasn't thinking about a stash. That created a monster, I don't know how. I just kept thinking to myself, I'm a hustler now. Took the good with the bad, went from living trife to having bigger and better things in my life. My life, my life. Let me tell them about my life, my life, my life. And what we talking about, my life, my life, my life. Homie, shit real in my life, my life, my life. So don't be playing with my life, my life, my life. I'm talking Jenkins high school days, homie. Mama don't know what's wrong with her boys. Just pray for me, screaming fuck the teachers. By street law, I'm good. Thought it was more important just to fight for my hood. Pussy status getting major, supposed to be in class soon. Instead, we burning ports, shooting CeeLo in the bathroom. 2000 got realer, the city in fear. We didn't weep, 82 bodies dropped that year. Mostly in the inner city, in public housing. Despite a small population of 300,000. By this time, if you ain't strapped, might as well stay in. Cause the fiends getting cutthroat, friends killing friends, they gave my dog 10. The SPD had a code, no knock warrants for niggas with dreads and goals. I got 6 solid at the bottom, now I'm feeling myself. Grabbing quarter ounces now, this the hand was dealt. In my life, took the good with the bad, went from living trite to having bigger and better things. In my life, my life, my life. Let me tell them about my life, my life, my life. And what we talking about, my life, my life, my life. Homie, shit real in my life, my life, my life. So don't be playing with my life, my life, my life. Fast forward, now my nigga Roll got bricks. Left me the block, told me Drax, now you got this shit. By that next year, I was playing with a quarter brick. Buying hard till my nigga taught me how to water whip. Nowadays, I can buy a thing or two. Hang with you, fuck that, I got better hustles to do. Not to mention all the niggas I lost laying in hearses. Truth is, I can't put my whole life in 3 verses. I fucked plenty bitches, I ate the best of food. Drove fast shit and pop bottles when I'm in the mood. Survived the gang wars, wear my Purple Heart. Kept it 100 from day one, real nigga from the start. My name good in 4 cities, I can go through and eat. If I'm ever hurting for paper and I gotta retreat. Shout out to any fake niggas and bitches I came across that was all talk. You all played a small part in my life. Took the good with the bad, went from living trite to having bigger and